Prague is the capital and largest city of the Czech Republic, and the historical capital of Bohemia. Founded in the 9th century, Prague is one of the oldest cities in Central Europe. The city is famous for its medieval architecture, including the Charles Bridge and Prague Castle. Prague is also a major cultural center with a long history of classical music, art, and literature. Prague, the captivating capital of the Czech Republic, enthralls visitors with its medieval charm, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine. Nicknamed the City of 100 Spires for its many churches and cathedrals, Prague offers a unique blend of historical landmarks, artistic treasures, and modern-day energy. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a foodie, Prague has something to offer everyone. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you plan your unforgettable trip to this magical city, Prague Castle. This sprawling complex, perched atop a hill, is the largest ancient castle complex in the world, housing palaces, a cathedral, and stunning gardens. Don't miss the breathtaking views of the city from the castle grounds. Charles Bridge, this 14th century bridge adorned with 30 Baroque statues, is a must stroll for any visitor. Soak in the panoramic views of the Vltava River and the picturesque cityscape. Old Town Square, the heart of Prague's Old Town, this lively square features the iconic astronomical clock, showcasing a captivating hourly show with moving apostles and astronomical figures. Lesser Town, nestled below Prague Castle, this charming district boasts hidden gems like the Church of St. Nicholas, Kampa Island with its serene park and John Lennon Wall, and the Petrin Lookout Tower offering panoramic views. Jewish Quarter. Explore the poignant history of Prague's Jewish community with a visit to the synagogues, the old Jewish cemetery, and the poignant Pinkas synagogue with its walls inscribed with the names of Holocaust victims. Vyšehrad. Escape the crowds and wander through this historic fort offering stunning city views, a peaceful cemetery, and the Vyšehrad Rotunda, the oldest surviving Romanesque building in Prague. National Gallery. Immerse yourself in Czech art from the Gothic era to the 20th century at this prestigious gallery, showcasing masterpieces by Mucha, Sheila, and others. Franz Kafka Museum. Delve into the life and works of the famous Czech writer Franz Kafka at this interactive museum housed in a cubist building. Dancing House. Witness the architectural whimsy of the deconstructivist Dancing House, a unique landmark designed by Frank Gehry and Vlado Milunik. Indulge in hearty Czech classics. Savor traditional dishes like goulash, roasted duck with dumplings, and potato pancakes, accompanied by the famous Czech beer. Explore local markets. Immerse yourself in the sights and smells of Prague's bustling markets, like Havel's Market and Narodní Třída Market, to sample local produce, street food, and souvenirs. Treat yourself to sweet temptations. Don't miss the delicious Czech pastries like trdelník, kolache, and ovocné nedlíky. Prague is walkable, but public transport, metro, tram, bus, is efficient and affordable. Czech is the official language, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. Czech koruna, CZK. Consider using a travel card for cashless convenience. Tipping 10–15% in restaurants and bars is customary. Prague offers pleasant weather and less crowds in spring, May, June, and autumn, September, October. Prague is walkable, but public transport, metro, tram, bus, is efficient and affordable. Czech is the official language, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. Learning a few basic Czech phrases is appreciated by locals. Czech koruna, CZK. Consider using a travel card for cashless convenience. Tipping 10–15% in restaurants and bars is customary. Take a boat cruise on the Vltava River. Enjoy breathtaking views of the city from a different perspective. Catch a classical music performance. Prague boasts a rich musical tradition with concerts happening throughout the year. Learn about the Velvet Revolution. Explore the historical significance of this peaceful uprising that ended communist rule in Czechoslovakia. Visit a spa. Relax and rejuvenate in one of Prague's many thermal baths or spa centers. Prague Airport, officially Václav Havel Airport, Prague, PRG, sits approximately 17 kilometers, 11 miles from the heart of the city. Depending on your preference and budget, you have several convenient options to reach the city center. Bus Plus Metro. This is the most budget-friendly option, costing around EUR 32 CZK for a 90-minute ticket valid on both bus and metro. This comfortable and faster option takes around 35 minutes, costing EUR 730 CZK. The buses depart every 30 minutes and drop you off at various locations in the city center, including Narodní Třída and Florence Station. Several other bus lines, such as AE and PE, connect the airport to different parts of the city, but they may involve transfers and take longer. Prague's Old Town Square, known as Staromestské náměstí in Czech, is the heart and soul of the city's historical center. Founded in the 12th century, it has witnessed centuries of history unfold within its cobbled embrace. The square boasts a stunning array of architectural styles, each echoing a different era. Gothic Majesty, the Church of Our Lady before Tin, with its towering spires, 80 meters high, dominates the square's skyline. Astronomical marvel, the Prague Horloge, or astronomical clock, is the star attraction. Every hour, a mesmerizing show unfolds featuring moving apostles, astronomical figures, and skeletal chimes. Baroque beauty, the Kinsky Palace, with its salmon-pink facade and ornate sculptures, adds a touch of elegance to the square. Renaissance charm, the Old Town Hall, adorned with frescoes and a beautiful astronomical dial, showcases the city's rich past. Prague boasts a rich and delicious culinary scene, offering a delightful mix of hearty traditional dishes, hidden gems, and modern gastronomy. Goulash, a comforting stew of beef, vegetables, and spices, often served with dumplings or bread. Roast duck with dumplings, a quintessential dish featuring crispy duck paired with fluffy potato dumplings and sauerkraut. Svikova na smetan, tender beef sirloin bathed in a creamy vegetable sauce, typically served with dumplings and cranberries. Potato pancakes, bramboraki, crispy potato pancakes, sometimes filled with meat or cheese. Trdelnik, a sweet chimney cake often dusted with sugar, cinnamon, or fillings like Nutella. Embrace the delicious journey and savor the unique flavors of Prague. Remember, this is just a starting point. Explore, discover, and create your own unforgettable Prague adventure.